In this final video, let's look at how TotalFlow Prep handles scanned jobs and multi-up jobs. We'll start with a basic scan job that needs cleanup. I build a job from 4 scanned TIFF files and can see several issues. The first is that these pages have an unwanted border. I can quickly correct that by selecting all pages and applying a reverse mask to delete everything outside the rectangle I draw. Going to Sheet View confirms that this is fixed, but I now see that the pages still have skewing and alignment issues. I next select all the pages and click Image Cleanup, Deskew, Auto, and Apply to straighten out the images. Note that I could have also just selected a page range or all even or odd pages. Now I'm going to open up the light table view. This is a nice way to stack all the pages on top of each other to identify positional shifts. I can see that some are shifted. I could click on the Align tab to automatically align them all, or click on the Despeckle tab to remove stray dots, but you get the idea. Like Deskew, these all provide a variety of manual tweaks and tools along with highly automated processing. But scan cleanup is boring. It just works, and there isn't much to look at. Let's wrap up with some multi-up work, starting with a business card job. You can use the built-in impositioning capabilities for most basic work. But I have a special business card with a solid color along the left which I want to handle differently. I want to tumble the cards so that the green sides meet in order to avoid bleed problems. I chose this job because I want to show you how cleanly Ultimate Impostrip integrates into TotalFlow Prep. I start by opening my business card file. Next, I select Advanced Impositioning, which goes into Ultimate Impostrip, where you can specify binding, paper, layout and trim, marks, banner sheets, scaling, bleeds, barcodes, and so forth. I can access editors for banners, marks, barcodes, signatures, and layout. If I open the Impostrip template editor, for example, I get the full capabilities of Impostrip. But I've already saved a template for this type of job, so I'll just get out of here. All I need to do for this job is to select the Biz Card on 12x18 tumbled template and refresh my preview. Notice how this particular template impositions the cards, applies the crop marks, and flips the cards so that the solid areas are combined to avoid bleed errors. Once I'm happy, I click Apply to PDF, and the file is flattened and brought back into TotalFlow Prep, and we see the imposed PDF with crop marks applied. Easy, right? And here's one final multi-up example, which is something I personally haven't seen done elsewhere. We're going to combine bait stamping and impositioning to create unique tickets. First, we build a job from a ticket file. Now we make 25 copies of the base image. I apply page stamping to put a number on each ticket. I can specify the number of digits, the starting number, a prefix and suffix, the font, the color, and so forth. I position and rotate the stamp, and I apply it to all 25 images. Now I click Gang Up, pick an 11x17 sheet size, let the system automatically impose it, and turn on marks. As you can see, there are all kinds of options for order, orientation, unique, repeated images, and so forth, but look how easy it was to use this to create uniquely numbered tickets. Oh, and you could, of course, save all this as a preset that could run on files dropped into hot folders. I really like this feature, and the only improvement I would suggest would be a way to preview where the stamps are being placed as you are positioning them. That would take a lot of the iterative trial and error guesswork out of positioning them. I hope that these examples have shown that TotalFlow Prep is a powerful and well-designed make-ready package. It seems to pack a lot of punch for the relatively low suggested retail price, and I think it will satisfy the needs of most implant and commercial printing operations that need these types of capabilities.